Don't forget to subscribe to the Ahmed Makki vlogs and click on the bell icon for the latest updates.
Show no fear, think of me by your side. All is clear, know what we have to do. Show no fear, baby, it'll be alright. I know that it's hard being apart, but soon I'll be there with you.
Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome to another episode of my motovlog. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all are having a fantastic and a beautiful day. We're riding off from here. Okay, so let's head off. My baby, she's all set now. So the guys are just strapping down their luggages onto their motorcycle. So let's go from this place. So bye-bye from Kishtwar. Just closing the gates of this house. Jenny Bai is waiting. So here we go, off from the place. So let's get out from the marketplace and head towards the highway. So we're not going from the same route that we came the other day. Instead, we're taking a different route, and this route basically is going to take us via the Jammu Kashmir highway. So we're going via Batote. So we're in the curvy roads now. Ahead of me is Bai, and ahead of him is Kaushik on the Himalayan. And ahead of all of us is Yulia with love from Russia. So I took the lead since I need to ride a little bit faster than the others to stay on the higher gears, and I need some ventilation. I'm sweating inside, by the way, in my riding gear. So just to overcome all that, I'm riding a bit more faster. Not that fast, I'm on 65 or something on the canyon. So that ain't a big deal. The roads are good, wide enough, and no much traffic. And for a matter of fact, the view from this place is so damn freaking beautiful. Gotta say that. Look at the mountain range out here. They look so beautiful. All green mountains. And Kishtwar is really a beautiful place to be. Aside from that, there's a lot of wind blast. A lot of it. So these canyon roads are like never ending. It's been like almost an hour. We're still on this road. The good thing is that there's no much traffic and the roads are good enough for us to, go around them. And Batote is close about, I think, another 80 kilometers from here now. So we still got time. I think we would be reaching Batote in 2 hours, I believe, or so. And it's freaking hot out here. I think the temperature is close about at 38 to 40 degrees Celsius, which is very hot for me. I wish the weather changes and gets a bit more cooler. There's a lot of distance that we need to travel. Getting dehydrated quick. And it's better to be on the move than stop, because when you're on the move, at least you feel cool because the air is passing in. And I can't take off my riding gears, because if I do that, I'm compromising on my safety. So I don't want to compromise on my safety. You never know what could go wrong. God forbid, but still, you got to be alert and cautious and ready for it all the time. Wow, look at the depth of this place. This place looks beautiful. I think we're going to reach Doda, or this is somewhere in and around the Doda area. The time is 2:22 p.m. Since we left late, we left close about, I think, 11:30 or something. I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera, but we came all the way from that side over there. So that's the canyon road, all the way. This is the Chenab River, which is being flowing over there. Whew! Alright guys, so we just got a news that it is raining back in Srinagar. So we gotta be careful now. Careful in the sense now we gotta get our rain gears handy. I got them in my riding bag, so that ain't any kind of problem. In 200 kilometers, so much difference. Can you imagine that? Got a phone call. And this is the All Beauty Chenab Valley. This is how it looks. The valley, the view of the valley. It's a never-ending valley, I must say. Wow, all canyon roads. I haven't found one straight patch of road. Okay. Batote is another 10 kilometers from here. So that is a place that where we are going to get, diverted. So we're going to go right, and Junaid Bhai and the rest of the guys are going to go left. So that's how it's supposed to be. So I'm going to miss Junaid Bhai a lot. Then I'm going to see him back in Bengaluru soon. Hey monkey! Eating a biscuit. Okay dokie, so we are at the junction that leads towards Srinagar. So the guys are going to go from the top, and we're going to go from the bottom down. This is the point that I think we're going to say our goodbyes, and Junaid Bhai would be heading from here towards his hometown. So the moment has come.
See you, brother.
Okay, take care. I'll see you soon, bro. Okay.
And tell my regards to Yulia also.
Yeah, sure, we'll do that. Bro, take care of yourself. Alright, bro.
Remember.
I'll see you, bro. Take care of yourself. Ride safe, please. Kaushik bhai. I'll see you, bro. Sure. And now we're heading off from here. Bye-bye. So there they go. I'm gonna miss them again. Bye-bye to them. Let's go. Okay, so back on the road, and let's head back now towards Srinagar. Update about the weather. You see the weather out here, how it is? So let's find Yulia. She's missing. She's been riding really fast on that little charisma, but now she's doing it. I was trying to catch up, and you guys saw me, I couldn't catch up. So unfortunately, she couldn't say her goodbyes to Junaid Bhai in the end. Okay dokie, so it started to drizzle. Can you see the rain cloud? Just hovering on top of me. I hope it's not raining on the other side. If it does, it's going to slow us a lot. The roads are better now. I think they have fixed it or something. Seems to be like that. Drizzling! Drizzling! So right now we are about to reach Banihal. There was a lot of traffic, and still there is a lot of truck traffic actually. Once we reach Banihal, then it's a quick go. One shot to Srinagar because of the new highway and all those things. I'm kind of bored. You see the way I'm trying to use the throttle? This is boredom. So welcome to the township of Banihal. And we want to cross Banihal ASAP. Let's go home. Let's go home. Started to miss home already. This is the market of Banihal. and the time is 6:30 p.m. in the afternoon. And we got, I think, another hour of daylight. Can you see the condition of my riding gloves? Do you see that? That is full of dust. Here we are at the tunnel.
I don't usually go out this late at night to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you.
कहाँ जाएंगे आप?
घर ही जाएंगे।
घर कहाँ है आपका?
श्रीनगर में।
आई कार्ड या फिर हेलमेट उतारो ताकि मैं पहचान कर सकूँ आपको।
कोई नहीं।
नॉन कश्मीरी हूँ ना, अभी छोड़ नहीं रहे हैं किसी को।
मतलब?
जो बाहर के लोग हैं उनको नहीं छोड़ रहे।
How many? But I can't start from.
ये मैडम कहाँ से है?
Russia. Russia.
Oh, it's not on neutral.
Put it in the gear. Put it in the gear.
I can't find the neutral. Wait. Try.
Yeah?
No. Okay.
Come on. Done? Okay, so let's head back for home. They were not allowing motorcyclists from other states to enter. I don't know why. There's some kind of thing going on. I mean, there's no problem in the valley, but they were not allowing, so we had to, get some procedures done with Yulia. So what we did was, we told them that she's from Russia, and we said she's our guest and she's coming to our house. So we don't want bullshit. We're riding like super slow because of these trucks. We can't ride fast. I'm on the third gear, which is not supposed to be happening. And there's a lot of noise inside the tunnel. I don't know if you guys can hear it inside the helmet, but a lot of noise of those turbines, exhaust turbines, yeah. Okay. Let's stop.
I don't usually go out this late.
आपके साथ है? अभी आउट ऑफ स्टेट या फॉरेनर कोई भी हो, रोड पे आरोपी नहीं लगी है ना। सुबह 7 बजे कैसे? सुबह 7 बजे आरोपी जगह है 5:30 वाजता 3 बजे के बाद ये कश्मीर का रोड करें।
मगर सर तो हमारे घर पे आ रहे हैं ना, ये तो हमारे घर पे ही आ रहे हैं।
तो क्या दिशा बात? तो ये सर ना
आने सर
Kashmir. Yenisi Trayno कोई भी कैंपस हो सकता है। पहले मैं पूछ लेता हूँ।
प्लीज।
मुझे नहीं लगता कोई आपको याद रखेगा। याद रखेगा।
Okay, the cops were saying that tourists are not allowed and this and that, the same thing. So I don't know what's the reason behind it, but they're not allowed after 7 p.m. onwards. So gotta keep that factor in your mind, guys. If you're coming towards the Kashmir province, traveling beyond 7 p.m. is not allowed. So make sure that you cross the Banihal tunnel at least by 3 p.m. That's what the cops said, right? Since we're locals, that is the reason that Yulia could go. Now we're gonna find like good roads down below, and the time is close about 7 now, 7 p.m. It's 6:54 p.m. to be very precise. And finally, yeah, we're inside the valley, and the good roads are about to start. Smooth ride back home. Ah, finally. Ooh la la. Okay, so the sun is going down, almost down now. Cops again. ये हमारे गेस्ट हैं. थैंक यू सो मच सर. So that was again the same thing. Where do you live? And where have you been? So the good part is that we're about to reach in a while now. Alright, okay, so I think we're about to reach now. We're only about 20 kilometers away from home. So that's like the end of today's vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you guys in another episode. So till then, ride safe. Always wear a helmet no matter what. So take care. Bye-bye. Love. Peace. Zoop.